Round da, croeso, welcome, planning regulatory and licensing, 10 o'clock Wednesday, 4th of February 2026.
So please note that today's meeting may be recorded. The recording will be broadcast on the authority's website and may be used for training for the Democratic Services Department. All attendees will be in view of the camera, and by attending you are consenting to being filmed and to the possible use of those images and sound recordings being used as outlined above.
Okay, and we go to the agenda. Number 1. Can you turn your cameras back on then, please? Darren.
Don't have to yet.
Okay. Right. So we go to one agenda, item 1, apologies for absence.
Cabinet Chair.
We have none.
Chair, I know Lee Davis was online at one point. I know he's disappeared at the moment, so I'm not sure if he's got connection issues.
Thank you. Lee, are you able to hear us?
There he is.
I didn't, my camera wasn't working. I am here. Sorry.
Okay, great. Thank you. Number 2, declarations of interest. Members are reminded of their personal responsibility to declare any personal or prejudicial interest in respect of matters contained in this agenda in accordance with the provisions of the Local Government and Finance Act 1992 relating to the Council Tax, Local Government Act and the Council's Constitution and Members' Code of Conduct. Please note, members are reminded they must identify the item number and subject matter that their interest relates to and signify the nature of the personal interest, and where members withdraw from a meeting as a consequence of the disclosure of a prejudicial interest, they must notify the chair when they leave. Before we... Councillor John Thomas?
Yeah, thank you, Chair. I'm going to declare a personal prejudicial interest in closed session, item 12, private hire and vehicle licence. And I will be leaving the meeting when that is going to be discussed.
Thank you, John. So before we proceed, I intend to take item 12, licensing, hire vehicle licence, first. So in order for us to proceed, in order for the following to be considered in private, it's suggested the public be excluded from the meeting on the grounds that it involves unlikely disclosure of exempt information as defined under Part 4 of the Schedule 12A, Section 100A4 of the Local Government Act 1972.
Chair, I move Section 100.
Thank you. I've got to move over to Section 100.
I second that.
Thank you. I leave now, Chair.
Okay, can I have a vote on that, please?
Okay, so that, yeah, that's carried, Chair.
Thank you.
Can I just inform members of the public to ask them to leave the meeting, ask them to come back to the lobby, and then I let them in when the meeting restarts in the open session.
Yeah. For members of the public watching this meeting, if you can leave the meeting
and immediately rejoin,
we should only be about 5 to 10 minutes.